Hi guys, it's Megan here at the Green River Chamber of Commerce. Well, because I don't have anything to like show you here on the computer for this information, you get to look at our beautiful front cover of our website. Yay, you! Okay, so for this one, I'm talking about chamber benefits that you get with your annual chamber membership dues. And this one is our 24-hour kiosk where you can place your business cards, brochures, and flyers. So our 24-hour kiosk is open 24/7, 365. Even when we are closed for like holidays or are on break or anything like that, it is open. We put flyers out there for your guys' events. We have a place for you guys to put your business cards. We have like a little bookshelves that you guys can put like brochures, or if you guys are doing really great and you have like magazines, bring them. We love to have this stuff there. And the public loves to have it too, because then they come up and they just grab what they want and then they go on their way. And then sometimes um they come in here and they're looking for stuff, and we tell them it's definitely out here in the kiosk, let's go find it, and we go and look and it's there, and people are like, oh my gosh, you guys are the best. So you definitely want to put your stuff up here because it looks really great. The public absolutely loves it when you guys have your information easily accessible for them. So you'll definitely want to bring your stuff up. We also try to like put some of your stuff behind the counter so that we have it for like anytime somebody calls us or emails us. And then that way we can quickly reference your information. So make sure that you bring up at least a copy for us to put behind our counter here so that we can easily grab it and give out that information. So you'll definitely want to bring those up. If you don't have room to put like something out there, just let us know. We are working on getting out there like tip-top perfection. So let us know, and we're working on rearranging it, and we'll definitely get that put out there up front where everybody can see it. So that again is another chamber membership benefit that you guys get with your annual dues. So you'll definitely want to take advantage of that one because that one is literally one of the best benefits in my opinion, because it doesn't rely on us being here all the time, and your information is out there all the time. So even if we're closed, your information is still out there and somebody is still accessing it. So that is very important. So that is another chamber membership benefit. Next, I'll be talking about our business directory on our website. So thanks, guys.